So today I'm going to show you how to replace the blade assembly. I have the 2-litre jug here that needs replacement, but the same applies to your 1.5-litre jug. Okay, so what we do is just remove the lid. Okay, turn your jug upside down. What I have here is the wrench. Okay, just place that there and make sure you turn counterclockwise, okay? And eventually, what you're going to have, the blade falling. There we go. Okay, and you just remove the base. Take your new blade. Okay, so in it goes. Okay, just hold onto that. Get the base. Make sure it feels nice and firm before you let go. Get your wrench. And now we just turn clockwise until it's nice and secure. Replacement done.